Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's AJ here again. If you're just seeing my channel for the first time, I'm saying a very big welcome to you. And to my returning subscribers, I'm saying a very big welcome to you. And thank you for sticking with me through this journey. Today I'll be showing you the process of how I decorate my wall. For the OGs in this channel, you guys know that I've always had a blue wall. And recently I had to call a painter to come paint it white. So today I'll be showing you how I'm going to decorate this wall. I have some items with me, so just stick with me through this journey. Here are the 3 items I'll be using to decorate my wall. The golden alphabet vinyl stickers, that's the one on the paper I'm showing to you. The next one I'll be using is the golden self-adhesive acrylic sticker and the gold and white decorative masking tape. I'll be using these 3 items to decorate my wall. Guys, I have no idea of what I want to do. Like, I had no clue of what I wanted to do here. So you guys are just going to follow me through the process. The first thing I'll be doing is to mark my head level. I have to mark where my head is going to be. Guys, when you're doing yours, don't use pen. I actually was not happy I was using pen, but that was what I could find. So you mark where your head is going to, your head level. This is the chair I use for my videos, so I had to use it to mark my head level. Here I was just doing a trial of how the acrylic stickers will look like on the wall. I was not sure of what idea or what design to create, so I was just trying out what I could do. I tried this out and it was not really making sense, so guys, just follow me through this. This is going to be a bit chaotic, but just at the end it was worth it. So just follow me. Let's do this together. So here I was reading out the instructions of how to fix it. The instruction states that the acrylic sticker should be on a clean wall and a smooth surface, and my wall was clean and was smooth. Then I went ahead to remove the film at the back. That's the film that's covering the glue part of the acrylic stickers. So I removed the film and I had to start sticking on the wall. So I did measure. That's why I was with my tape rule. I was marking some measurements, and the essence for the measurements is just to attain uniformity, just to make sure that everything is uniform and they're not looking different. So guys, I had to put in my best creative energy into this. This is a fashion designer actually trying to do the work of an interior decorator. Guys, if you notice, I was removing the previous installation here. That's because I noticed that I only had four pieces of this size, and if I'm putting 3 on the left side, it won't be enough for the right. So I had to remove that one to add to the right side so that it will be uniform. Then I continued the process. I was using scissors because the film covering the adhesive was quite hard and I didn't want to hurt myself, so I had to use scissors to remove it. Here I went ahead to start putting my name stickers, the alphabet stickers on the wall. The name I'm starting with is AJ, but my full brand name is Fashion by AJ. Though you guys see only AJ on this channel, but my full brand name is Fashion by AJ. Here I had to do measurements, guys. I'm so confused here. I had to measure, had to use my tape rule to measure from the chair to the wall so that they won't be looking slants and they'll be looking straight. After measuring the top of my chair to the wall, I had to start slotting in the letters. Then I went ahead to measure the distance between A and Y so that I would ensure uniformity when adding the other letters. If you notice, I was holding scissors. I had to improvise some letters. The golden alphabet stickers I got only had two samples of each letter. So A came in two places, A to Z came in two places. And some letters in my name had three letters, like Fashion by AJ. Y has three letters and A also has three letters. So I had to improvise for those ones. As you can see, I started with the bigger squares and I went ahead to start sticking the smaller squares onto the wall. And also what I did on the left was what I was doing on the right. And I was measuring to ensure uniformity. If you can notice, they are looking the same, they're looking uniform. There were slight errors, but at least they were not so noticeable. So you have to keep on measuring, and whatever you do on the left, you do on the right, except you want something asymmetric or something that is just like, I don't know how to describe it though, but me, I wanted uniformity. Also, guys, I'm so sorry. I didn't realize that my camera stopped recording and I'd already gone ahead to fill in these smaller squares into each bigger square. I don't know if you understand. I had to slot in the smaller ones in the bigger ones because I wanted it to give it this concept. So the next thing I want to do is to slot in other letters. Like I said at the beginning, my brand name is Fashion by AJ, so I can't leave it as AJ alone. So I want to slot in Fashion by, since I'll be using this wall for YouTube and my business as well. So I need to slot in the other ones. After sticking the name on the wall, I needed to start removing the cling film from the square stickers. They had this cling film because it's actually a mirror sticker, so it has like a clean nylon film to protect it. So after sticking the names, I had to start removing it. You can see me removing them. I had to do for all of them to remove them, except the name stickers. The name stickers didn't need that, so just the geometric ones. And guys, you can see the difference, like the beauty is coming out already. You can compare from with the right side, like the ones I've removed are looking shiny already. Guys, this process was giving me joy. I'm not going to lie. Even watching it again is just so satisfying. So this was how I came about this. After removing the nylon film, it was time for me to decorate with the masking tape, and I didn't know how to do that. I was thinking of starting it from the top of the wall to the ground level I was not so sure, so I just had to I just had to cut the video at some point to think. And when I thought and came back, my phone was already down, so I could not record that part. So I'm just going to show you guys what the wall decor is looking like after the whole process. Guys, after using the masking tape, this is what my wall is looking like. Guys, I'm speechless. I was as surprised as you are right now. This was what we were able to put together. Thank you so much, guys, for following me through this process. This is the end of this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching till the end. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to click the subscribe button and like my videos, comment. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to your questions. Until next time, guys, stay positive, stay happy, and stay blessed. Thank you so much once again. Bye.